What up, chat? Hello. What's going on, folks? What's happening? Happy Sunday. Welcome, MBS DBF. Let's hope this is more stable than last time, too. Yeah. Let's hope. Hopefully the game will not, what's it called? Hopefully the game will not force me into a blue screen. So, yeah, here's hoping. Sending out the word. All right. Let us begin. Many things are happening currently. This is a way of distracting myself, so big McThankies. No problem, man. No problem. Let's hope that, you feel better soon. Alright. Here we go. We are in the basement.
Kepler 7, we implanted a tiny microchip about the size of a postcard into your skull. Most likely you've forgotten it's even there. But if it starts vibrating and beeping during this next test, let us know. Because that means it's about to hit 500 degrees, so we're going to need to go ahead and get that out of you pretty fast.
Wait. Sorry, you had me at microchip in my brain? What? Okay. Oh. Okay. So the water washes the goop away. I need to hit that button. Okay. Ow! Ooh! I hit it! Nice! Oh, it's on a timer. Shoot! My brain is so large, it is actually incredible.
Keep your pants on. Alright, this next test may involve trace amounts of time travel. So, word of advice, if you meet yourself on the testing track, don't make eye contact. Lab boys tell me that'll wipe out time. Entirely. Forward and backward. So, do both of yourselves a favor and just let that handsome devil go about his business.
Wait. What's this about time travel? I'm sorry? What's back here? What are you trying to hide? If a future you tries to warn you about this test, don't listen. Jeez, this company is so sketch. Or at least what's left of them is. Looks like I'm supposed to launch myself over there, but how am I going to do that? Can't quite reach it. Oh. Okay. Trying to use my nug in here. Ooh, wait. Alright, let's see. Ooh! Nice. Not so much that I feel shitty, just that there's a few things on my mind, including the thing we talked about earlier. Okay. Alright, yeah, I understand. Well, it's good that you're not feeling too bad. But, yeah, if I can help, if I can help with something as silly as this, then I am happy to. Accidents hurt. Safety first. You will be hurt. Coworkers, don't endanger others. The company, replacements are costly. Science, investigations impede progress. Don't do crime. We don't need the cops on our ass, please. Oh, gosh. I think... what am I supposed to do here? Ah. Oh. Lots of bouncing. Wait. Can I put a portal up there? No, I cannot. Can I bring some goop with me? Looks like I can. I'm going to cover things in goop. Oh, not quite what I had in mind, but this is so funny. Jeez, that goes up high. Whew, okay. Okay, alright. Maybe all of this was just a red herring. Alright, here we go. Oof. Portal jumping is so freaking sick. I love the Source engine. What? Oh. Oh. I'm supposed to... Oh.
If you're hearing this, it means you're taking a long time on the catwalk between tests. The lab boys say that might be a fear reaction.
The lab boys.
Psychiatrists, but coming from a bunch of eggheads who wouldn't recognize the thrill of danger if it walked up and snapped their little pink bras, that sounds like projection. Fly into space, storm a beach, or bring back the gold? No, sir, we did. It's you and me against the world, son. I like your grit. Hustle could use some work, though. Now let's solve this thing.
Man, this dead guy sure knows how to get his workers working. Can this fill up with water? Oh, no, it can't. Okay. Your brain is massive. Thank you. Sometimes it is. Oh. 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 Oh! Oh, God, I've created a dangerous weapon! Come here. To ensure that you do not, to ensure that you don't bounce around violently and kill me. Alright. Now, how do I get over there? Oh, by bouncing. Well, by bouncing, obviously. Oh, no, I need to move that. There we go.
Science isn't about why, it's about why not.
I'm more motivated by JJJ than GLaDOS. Oh, yeah. Me too, but...
In fact, why not invent a special safety door that won't hit you on the butt on the way out, because you are fired. Now you, test subject, you're doing fine. Yes, you, Fox, you're stopped. Out the front door. Parking lot, car, goodbye.
What? What is this guy talking about? Oh, he was talking to Peter Parker, I bet. Spider-Man!
Congratulations. The simple fact that you're standing here listening to me means you've made a glorious contribution to science. As founder and CEO of Aperture Science, I thank you for your participation and hope we can count on you for another round of tests. We're not going to release this stuff into the wild until it's good and damn ready, so as long as you keep yourself in top physical form, there will always be a limo waiting for you. Say goodbye, Carolyn.
Goodbye, Carolyn.
She is a gem.
Thanks, Cave Johnson. I hope you're in hell right now. Thought maybe I could just brute force my way through it. Exit is right. Excuse me, jeez. Dang, can't pick that up either. Comedy ghoul. Oh. Portal surface. Where to? Oh, that's deep. Oof. I just came from there. There we go. Always check your surroundings, folks. 71 pump station beta. Orange gel? What does the orange do? Stick me to the ground? Oh boy. Oh, wait a minute. Oh. No need to overthink this. Here we go. Oh, I'm not. Oh, this isn't the way up. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Alright, I see what I gotta do. It's always the jumps. Oh, this one's gonna be tough. Can I make it all the way over there? No, I cannot, just short. But I think that might be enough to shoot that, or... Ah, no, it won't. There's nothing there, so... Oh! Ah! Oopsies. Good thing I got these weird metal bars strapped to my legs. Fucking windows. Always getting in the way of shit. Gotta turn on my brain for this. Look, there I am, down there. This is so sick. I will never get tired of this game's concept. Sometimes 2 portals just isn't enough. Or at least it never feels like it's enough, but usually it is. Let's face forward into the glass. I think I know what to do. Okay, so orange portal goes onto that. Ooh yeah! Nailed it. Alright, what have we got? Alright, we got gel flowing, I think. Blue and orange, just like my portals. Oh. Control room. 1971, folks, 1971. 1971.
Greetings, friend. I'm Cave Johnson, CEO of Aperture Science. You might know us
litter,
as a
do not
vital
litter, do not touch
participant in
glass.
the 1968 Senate hearings on missing astronauts. And you've most likely used one of the many products we invented, but that other people have somehow managed to steal from us. Black Mesa can eat my bankrupt...
Sir, the testing?
Right. Now you might be asking yourself, Cave, just how difficult are these tests? What was in that phone book of a contract I signed? Am I in danger? Let me answer those questions with a question. Who wants to make $60? Cash.
Oh, me.
For up to 20 minutes in the waiting room.
I need $60.
More comfortable than the park benches most of you were sleeping on when we found you. So, welcome to Aperture.
Huh?
You're here because we want the best, and you're it. Nope. Couldn't keep a straight face. Anyway, don't smudge up the glass down there. In fact, why don't you just go ahead and not touch anything unless it's test related?
Remember, alert your supervisor if you see OSHA inspector, Department of Energy inspector, GAO accountant, undercover police officer, nuclear regulatory commissioner, FEMA coordinator, ordinary police officer, journalist, public works inspector, MSHA mine inspector, ATF, FBI, or US Marshal. You know, I think I'm starting to understand why Black Mesa survived as opposed to Aperture Science, because if you need to put up a sign that says to look out for all of these, you're doing something wrong. Because I don't remember Black Mesa doing anything like that. Hell, I'd say maybe they gave a damn a little bit about workers' conditions. Probably not, but I don't know. Oh, woo. Easy does it. All right. Remember, if you see an orange jumpsuit, hit the red button. Gotcha. Where is this red button? The red button right here. Something tells me that's not... Oh, am I supposed to go over there? Oh, but the door is closed. I can't jump over there. I'll just... I think Valve... I think they forgot to add collision physics with this table. But, it's alright. Oh, secrets.
If you're allergic to
Just a bit
peanuts, you might
sus.
want to tell somebody now, because this next test may turn your blood into peanut water for a few minutes. On the bright side, if we can make this happen, they're going to have to invent a new type of Nobel Prize to give us, so hang in there.
Got an achievement called Ship Overboard. Discover the missing experiment. Ship Overboard. Oh, it's the Borealis! Oh! This must be where they built it. Uh-oh. Or maybe it never left? Well, hopefully, Gordon Freeman destroyed it. Hopefully. The fucking Subnautica ship?
No, actually, that's the Aurora. The Borealis is,
I don't remember the specifics. The Borealis was something that, Eli Vance told Gordon Freeman about in Half-Life 2. Made by Aperture Science. Something about portal technology. And he wanted, Gordon to destroy it in order to prevent what he called a second Black Mesa incident. So I don't remember if the Combine were after it or not, but no, I do remember I remember it being very urgent. And then the game just fucking ended. So yeah, you know. Okay, either I somehow make it over the door or I don't. Ow. Broke my face. Ugh. I jumped and something big moved. Oh, it's just the sound of my jumps and stuff. Did I come from there? I don't think I did. Yes, I did. I came from there, and then I show up through here like, ooh. What is that? 3975M? Something about a red button. Or that might just be a red herring. What is that? All about exploring your surroundings. What is... Test subject waiting area. Or 26. Number 23. Dang, that's helpful. A lot of speakers. What am I supposed to do here? Nope. Oh. Oh, I'm definitely not supposed to be in there. If you can clip through the wall, you're not supposed to be there. That's my philosophy. I don't think I could break through any of these windows, do you? Ooh, wait a minute. Ah, there we go. Okay. Into the control room. No, I hit the rail. Oh. Unfortunate. But it's all good. Just don't hit the rail next time. Much better. Probably not.
Oh, hi.
Alright.
Say, you're good at murder. Could you, murder this bird for me? Oh. Oh, thanks. Did you feel that?
What was that?
That idiot doesn't know what he's doing up there. This whole place is going to explode in a few hours if somebody doesn't disconnect him. I can't move, and unless you're planning to saw your own head off and wedge it into my old body, you're going to need me to replace him. We're at an impasse. So what do you say? You carry me up to him and put me back into my body, and I stop us from blowing up and let you go. No tricks. This potato only generates 1.1 volts of electricity. I literally do not have the energy to lie to you. Even if I am lying, what do you have to lose? You're going to die either way. Look, I don't like this any more than you do. In fact, I like it less because I'm the one who got partially eaten by a bird.
I should eat you too, honestly. Oh.
What is wrong with you?
Found the red button.
Do you have a multimeter? Never mind. The gun must be magnesium. It feels like I'm outputting an extra half a volt. Keep an eye on me. I'm going to do some extra half-volt helps, but it isn't going to power miracles. If
All right, now.
I'm going to fry this potato before we get a chance to burn up in the atomic fireball that little idiot is going.
All right. Well, at least you're stuck to my gun now. At least I don't have to carry her around manually like I did Wheatley. Nice. I should just eat GLaDOS. I'll rip Wheatley off of GLaDOS's body, and then I will make a stuffed potato to celebrate. Chapter 7, The Reunion.
The testing area is just up ahead. The quicker you get through, the quicker you'll get your $60.
Hold on, who?
Carolyn, are the compensation vouchers ready?
Yes, sir, Mr. Johnson. Why did I just... Who is that? What the hell is going on here?
You know them GLaDOS, do ya? Oh boy. Oh. Alright, let's see what this orange goop does. Speed gel. Oh! It's an accelerator! Oh, that is sick! Oh, I gotta try this. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Okay, now I just need to... Alright. Woo! Yeah! Oh, that is so cool. Okay. Alright. More gel, please. Alright. Oof. Ah. You come with me. Alright, let's take it nice and easy. Now we come through here. And I put you here. Now I can make it up there. Alright. Whee! Remember, do not leave your belongings here, loiter for more than 20 minutes, or touch the glass. Do wear a shirt and shoes at all times, move quickly through your test track, and do not forget to not touch the glass. They really don't want me to touch the glass. Hey, they don't say anything about not wearing pants, though. I gotta jump. But jump to where? Bet it involves more speed gel. Let's see. Oh, oops. I should probably put a portal down. Ow. Oh. Huh. It would be so funny if I could, like, run up walls with this. Oh, now I'm just covered in gel. And stuck in a loop! Oh, God. Whoa, okay. Whoa. We're good, we're good. How in the gosh darn do I reach this button? I did not do that. Goodness, the poop water. Ooh. Lethal. Extremely dangerous. How am I going to get up there? Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah! Whoa! Freaking sweet!
Okay.
Nailed it.
Gifts emotional outbursts require more than 1.6 volts. Now we know that. We just need to relax. We're still going to find out what the hell's going on here, but calmly.
I don't expect much from you, GLaDOS. Honestly, I should just drop you into that vial of poo. Alright, we got Bouncy Gel and Speedy Gel. Oh, excuse me. Oh. Okay, that goes a lot farther than I thought it would. No way I'm jumping that gap with this, though. So instead... let's try this. Ah, but I wonder if I'll have the... Ooh. Here we go. Make use of both, just like the portal gun. Boing! Oh yeah! Alright. Now how am I gonna get over there? Oh. I know what I have to do. Alright. Come through here. Then... alright, here we go. It's gonna be risky. Boing. Woohoo!
Astronaut, war hero, and/or Olympian.
And/or Olympian.
This on? Hey, listen up down there. That thing's called an elevator, not a bathroom.
I swear I know him.
Yeah, probably do. He probably made you. I mean, you both seem to be, whack job narcissists who don't give a damn about,
If you're interested in an additional $60, flag down a test associate and let them know.
An additional $60?
120 weighing down your bindle if you let us take you apart, put some science stuff in you, then put you back together. Good as new.
I'm good, thanks. I think I'll pass. Let us take you apart, and I'll give you $60 more. 60 more. Nah, man. I'm good, bro. Bouncy stuff. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. Ah, come on. Nope. Not enough speed. Don't jump high enough either. Alright, let's do a little bit of that. Oh, oops. Oops, I didn't know. Oh, uh-oh. I've created a paradox. That is not what I meant to do. Dang. Bring on the goop. Oh, oh, bouncy, bouncy, whoa. I guess that's my ticket back. What are all these? Are these at all relevant to where I'm supposed to be going? Alright, so I need a cube. All comes back to the cubes. Oh, there's one. Okay, how do I get you down from there? Oh, this one looks nasty. How am I going to figure this one out? Oh, man. Well, let's just get this out of the way. Let's cover that in orange. I think I need to make a tunnel. I think I need to coat, like, so much of the space with the orange stuff so that I build up enough speed to launch myself all the way over there. Oh gosh, that is scary. Oh. How am I supposed to do that? Oh man. I need to get the cube down, too. Oh! Cube acquired. Alright. Now, put that there. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, so maybe I cover that in blue so that I get enough speed that I can boing. Okay, that seems a lot more practical. In that case... Alright, cover that in blue. Then... I'm not comfortable with that amount of blue coverage. Hang on. Oops. As much blue on it as possible. Think that'll do for the blue today. Oh yeah, much better. Then I hold that there. And I just gotta... Oh gosh. Now I need to find a way to get myself... Oh, shit. All right. What's up? This is it. Oh, yeah. Freaking sweet. Yeah.
Again, all you gotta do is let us disassemble you. We're not banging rocks together here. We know how to put a man back together. So, that's a complete reassembly. New vitals, spit shine on the old ones, plus we're scooping out tumors. Frankly, you ought to be paying us.
I'm good, man. I do not, I don't trust, I don't, you know, it's a good thing you're dead. I do not trust you. Your brain is massive, bro. I feel so good right now. I don't know if it's, I feel like I'm doing a little better in this than I am in the first one. Maybe it's because I have experience.
Gel testing. You've made some real contributions to society for a change, and for that, humanity is grateful. If you had any belongings, please pick them up now. We don't want old newspapers and sticks cluttering up the building. For many of you, I realize $60 is an unprecedented windfall, so don't go spending it all on, I don't know, Carolyn, what do these people buy? Tattered hats? Beard dirt?
Elevator to surface, that is not working. Fresh out of the shower with that Kazuya from Tekken haircut. Oh yeah, the Kazuya cut. Swagging out. Pump Station Gamma. Oh.
Carolyn, why do I know this woman? Did I kill her? Or... Oh my god. Look, you're doing a great job. Can you handle things for yourself for a while? I need to think.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What are you not telling us, GLaDOS? Let's just turn on all the pumps. Oh. Cub? What is this? Alright, you know what? I do not want to, I don't want to walk through all that. So instead... It's the come and go! Oh god. So what does the white stuff do? Absolutely nothing. Boing. 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 Oh, I can put portals on the white stuff. Oh. Oh, okay. The ejaculate and evacuate. Another similar gas station names. Oh my gosh. Ejaculate and evacuate. That. I find that a lot more funny than the come and go. Oh. Oh, boy. I gotta run across that. Boing. Ugh. Nice. My new boss... Carla the complainer says, my new boss is a robot. But did you know? Robots are smarter than you. Robots work harder than you. Robots are better than you. Volunteer for testing today. No thanks. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing here. Just a bird, GLaDOS. Chill out. Back to thinking. You. Artificial intelligence can't compete with my natural stupidity. Bro, exactly. Got nothing on us. Huh? Hello? Oh. There we go. Oh, am I supposed to go down there? Oh, I thought this was a ladder. It is not a ladder. Oh, wait, I was just here. Oh, wait, oh no, I'm supposed to... Oh, okay. Okay. So, wait, then... Am I supposed to launch myself? How am I going to do that? Because with this ground, that's going to be extremely difficult. Suppose I can squeeze my way through there. Don't do that. That's stupid, man. Stupid speak. Just came from there. Caution, watch your step. You broke the fucking stairs. Got GLaDOS thinking over here, whatever that means. GLaDOS, that probably means that she's plotting to kill us again. Wake up! I don't think it worked. What am I supposed to do here? Think it's clear that I'm supposed to find a way to send myself over that way, but How? Oh yeah, there is goop. Oh yeah. That's actually, yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense, yeah. Oh, wait. No, I can't bring it. Can I? Can I turn these back on? I hope I can. Okay, because if I can use the white stuff. Let's see. Ah, damn. Nope, that ain't gonna do it. Damn, yeah. You were onto something. Well... some goop would be really nice right about now. Unless I can somehow break that open. Which it doesn't look like I can. Shoot. Wait, oh, never mind. Ugh. Yeah, this is a tough one. And just a minute ago, I was saying, oh, I think I've gotten better at this. I don't think I'm supposed to be down there. Yeah, can't do that. Wake up, GLaDOS! Stop thinking! You're not good at that! Stay hydrated when using your brain, folks. Oof, that was risky. Then why do you want her to help with thinking? Figure she might help me through this puzzle in particular. Fuck, Windows. That is a menacing smiley face. Have to make it through there, but I bet in order to open the door, I have to go in there. Man, this is kicking my ass. Oh, that could have been bad. How the hell am I supposed to make that? Wait a minute. You're right, I do need the goop. Wait. Oh, yes. You were right all along. I do need the goop. Okay. All right. Here we go. Don't get crushed. Oh, yes. Let's go. Yes.
To the enrichment center. Since making test participation mandatory for all employees, the quality of our test subjects has risen dramatically. Employee retention, however, has not. As a result, you may have heard we're going to phase out human testing. There's still a few things left to wrap
Paradoxes.
up, though. The bean counters told me we literally could not afford to buy $7 worth of moon rocks, much less 70 million. Bought them anyway, ground them up, mixed them into a gel. And guess what? Ground up moon rocks are pure poison. I am deathly ill. Still, it turns out they're a great portal conductor. So now, we're gonna see if jumping in and out of these new portals can somehow leach the lunar poison out of a man's bloodstream. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Let's all stay positive and do some science. That said, I would really appreciate it if you could test as fast as possible. Carolyn, please bring me more pain pills.
Ugh. This guy's dying, LeMayo. Robots don't sleep. They can test and do your job. Volunteer for testing today. Change webcam image. Alright, Mr. Echo, what have you got for me? What have you got? That is very appropriate for this, yes. Alright. Oh, man. Alright, y'all are gonna love this. Alright. So good. Just gotta scale it down. Because, dang, this is a big one. Oh, man, that's stupid as hell. But, you know what? I don't feel stupid as hell after this, so it's all good. All right. Oh, whoops. Where is it? Here we go. All right, y'all. Boom. After this, oh man. Cheers. MBS DBF. Our brains have persevered once again. All right, what does this do? It opens the door. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Aperture Science. Let's work together. No thanks. Alright, warning. Please do not test if you're allergic to lunar sediment and or starch, you have fulfilled your monthly test self-election quota, or you are confident enough in your work performance to unvolunteer from the test self-election process. Why would you work for this place? There's no way there's no way any employee was working here out of their own free will. There's no way. Excuse me. Same people, same reason people work for less than minimum wage. Yeah, but I don't know. I'd rather work at McDonald's than work in this place. Why people even bothered working during the Gilded Age? You raise a good point. Damn. Reddit. All right. Gel. Where am I off to now? Well, up there, obviously. That was totally uncalled for, but totally accurate joke. Oh, well, you know, something workforce. Yeah. Hope I didn't softlock myself just now. Oh, wait. Ah, of course. Oh. Ah, of course. There we go. Oh, excuse me. No. Oh, the Reddit thing. Oh, sorry. Well, yeah, you know what they say about Redditors. I don't know if that's actually doing anything. Potato GLaDOS, yeah! Hi, Skelly, you made it! Welcome, welcome. I hope you're having a good Sunday. Yep, I got Potato GLaDOS stuck to my gun. Ooh. Well, let's sprinkle some around there. There we go. Okay. Now I gotta make a jump, I think. But I don't know if this is high enough. Yeah, definitely not. Or maybe I gotta do this the old-fashioned way. You know? You know what I mean? Unfortunately. Alright, let's see. Oh, oops. Okay, let's try it this way instead. Okay. It's too laid back for that to work. Guess they thought about this. Or maybe I just need more momentum. Alright, let's try that. Oh, can't go through there. Can't go through there either! Oh, never mind, yeah I can. Alright. Let's see. Damn it. Okay. Loop goop. Alright. That sent me farther. But then... the PNG is kid me learning I can piss on command. I remember getting through this part or a similar puzzle with a strategy like that, but it took a while to get it right, and I'm still not sure if it was the right way. That's the beauty of Source games. Sure, there's an intended way, but if you do it, quote, the wrong way, as long as you get to the end, what does it matter, right? Let's see. Oh shit. Oops. Whoops. Wrong one. Everything reminds me of him. You cannot escape. I am making an elevator. I am ascending, folks. I am ascending. All right. I am up here now. Ah, here we go. Okay. This is how I make that jump. I hope. Oh yeah! Nailed it! Heh.
When life gives you lemons, don't make lemonade. Make life take the lemons back. Get mad! I don't want your damn lemons! What am I supposed to do with these?
Take the lemons.
Demand to see life's manager. Make life rue the day it thought it could give Cave Johnson lemons. Do you know who I am? I'm the man who's gonna burn your house down with the lemon.
Oh, I like this guy.
I'm gonna get my engineers to invent a combustible lemon that burns your house down.
Finding people. He said what we're all thinking.
The point is, if we can store music on a compact disc, why can't we store a man's intelligence and personality on one? So I have the engineers figuring that out now. Brain mapping, artificial intelligence. We should have been working on it 30 years ago. I will say this, and I'm gonna say it on tape so everybody hears it 100 times a day. If I die before you people can pour me into a computer, I want Carolyn to run this place. Now she'll argue. She'll say she can't. She's modest like that, but you make her.
GLaDOS.
No, put her in my computer. I don't care. All right, test's over. You can head on back to your desk.
Goodbye, sir.
Alright. Makes a lot of sense now. Well, I guess when you're a secretary with a nut job like that, or a secretary for a nut job like that, it's pretty hard to not take some inspirations, especially if your head gets converted into a computer. Ooh. Oh, I couldn't do that anyway if I wanted to. This speech changed my life. Honestly, that was hilarious. That had the same energy to the ham and cheese bit from Subnautica. Fuck those lemons. Fucking throw them back in the shit pissed lemon. Big nuts. When you're secretary. What did Aether mean by that? I meant when you're the secretary of a nut job like that. Sorry, I can't talk. All my brain power is focused on, you know, this. Mood. Yep. Try my best here, chat. Try my best. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Loading screen. Ooh. Ooh. All right, chat. Gogglehead has a question for you all. See what the question
I know
is.
things look bleak, but that crazy man down there was right. Let's not take these lemons. We are going to march right back upstairs and make him put me back in my body. And he'll probably kill us because he's incredibly powerful and I have no plan. Well, I'm not going to lie to you. The odds are 1,000,000 to 1, and that's with some generous rounding. Still, though, let's get mad. If we're going to explode, let's at least explode with some dignity.
With some dignity. That's rich coming from you. Okay. Mario as Wario, Luigi as Waluigi, now Peach as Wapeach, but where's the what Aether to Aether? The Y Aethered to me is... That's, yeah. Oh, that's amazing. I'm screenshotting that. I'm screenshotting that. I'm screenshotting that. Oh, that is amazing. That's amazing. Thoughts? Oh, that is awesome. You've got a point. You've got a point. Okay. All right, let's see. Yee! All right. Ah, there's blue. Looks like the blue has sprung a leak. Oh, okay. Sprinkle some blue goodness onto this. And then... another jump. Boing. Big fan of how the word Luigi just becomes wee. Heck yeah, we Luigi up in here. More bouncies? Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I bet there's a portal thing I can attach to the end of that. Maybe. Hopefully. Hopefully I don't look stupid doing this. Let's see. Oh! Aw, damn it. Jump too far. Control your jumps, folks. Not like that. When the video game has momentum. Nailed it. And a lot of leaky pipes. But it's all good, we take those. GLaDOS seems unaffected by this. The anti-portal thing. Looks like I need a mixture here. Wait, maybe. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Oh. Oh, I think I understand. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay. Oh, oops. Not what I meant. Oh, let's just put that there for a bit. Okay. Then, actually, let me just reset my portals and going through here, so I don't, you know. Oh wait, that's not right at all. There we go, that's it. Okay, let's do this. I should dispense in my portals. There we go. All right, here we go. Damn, close enough. Fuck. All right. Oh, okay. All right. All right. All right, here we go. Speed time. Nailed it. Boy! Okay. So there was a good reason for this coming up here. Fuck. That was a top 10 Aether Sound. New Aether Sound dropped. Yeah. Ooh, wait. Okay. I can just go through here now. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm stupid. That just takes me back outside. Whoops. Oh, I'm supposed to... Oh. Okay. What am I supposed to do here? Oh, can't reach. Just barely. Not that I could build up enough speed just with these little bits. This is making my brain turn. Maybe do the Mario and do a double jump? Do the Mario. Sweet. Swing your arms from side to side. Maybe there's a reason that's there. Oh wait. Oh yeah, that's probably exactly it. Probably. Ah, okay. All right, let's okay. There we go. All right. You're cooking. Once again, you are cooking. All right. Let's see. That lets us keep our momentum. Oh, yeah. Man, how do you do it? Brain enlargement. All right. This one should be easy. Goddamn class. The freaking best. Oh, yeah. Am I even supposed to? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that's right. That's right, up there. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Don't overthink it. Now I am up here. Now the question is... Whoa! Whoa! I have totally goopified everything. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Oh gosh, am I supposed to be going this way? I'm gonna assume so. Ah! Ooh. Source moment. Just bumble around a little bit. You'll find a way. You'll find a way. Dang, look at this place. This must be the total goop chamber. Launch all the goop into there, maybe. Maybe not. Gel pump station. All right. I need to get over there. Almost as oh, my skull. Oh. Classic solution.
Wait, idea. That poster. Go look at it for a second, would you? Paradoxes. No AI can resist thinking about them. I know how we can beat him.
Do ya? Know your paradoxes. In the event of rogue AI, stand still, remain calm, scream, this statement is false, new mission, refuse this mission, or does a set of all sets contain itself? Oh, okay. Confuse it. Oh. Oh. It's opening. Very slowly. I see light. Ah, the goop transference. Let's flood Wheatley with goop. That'll work. Oh yes, give me a way back up, please. Ah, okay. Shit, Alright. Is this our way out of the old facility? Let me out! Bring me up, please.
If you can get me in front of him, I'll fry every circuit in that little idiot's head. As long as I don't listen to what I'm saying, I should be okay. Probably.
I'm Aperture Science Enrichment Center testing gelling out, dude. It's gel time. Let's gel up in this bitch, folks. Springs? Oh. Giant industrial springs.
Okay, so it's not the most watertight plan to go confront an omnipotent power-mad AI with. Still, it's a better plan than exploding. Marginally.
Alright, back in familiar territory, it looks like. Just do what you do best, GLaDOS. Be annoying. Be stupid. Why are the turrets also cubes? Chapter 8. The Itch.
For God's sake, your boxes with legs. It's literally your only purpose. Walking onto buttons. How can you not do the one thing you're designed for?
Try to get us down there. I'll hit him with a paradox.
Warmer, warmer, boiling hot, Okay, cold.
Oh no, what have you done to them, man?
Cold. Very, very, very cold. Look, just get on the button. Oh, that's funny, is it? Oh, it's funny because we've been at this for 12 hours and you haven't solved it either. So I don't know why you're laughing. You've got 1 hour. Solve
Elon Musk at Twitter HQ. Distant explosion, what was that? Elon, what are you doing? Oh. Ah, there we go. Oh, I feel so bad for them. I know that they shoot me on sight. Are they still gonna try and do that? They look like they're in pain. Wheatley, what have you done to them? This is why we should. They never should have put you in charge. I think those are harmless, but I might be wrong. God, I hope they're harmless, but you know.
Solve his puzzle for him. When he comes back, I'll hit him with a paradox.
Aw, so sorry.
Ah, yes. I knew you'd solve it.
Hey, moron.
Oh. Hello?
Alright, paradox time. This sentence is false. Don't think about it. Don't think about it. Don't
True.
think about it.
I'll go true. Yeah, that was easy. I'll be honest, I might have heard that one before though. Sort of cheated.
It's a paradox. There is no answer. Look, this place is going to blow up if I don't get back in my mind.
False. I'll go false.
Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility
I thought
immediately.
I'd fix that.
Warning. Reactor core is at critical.
Oh, where have I heard this before?
Hey, it is great seeing you guys again. Seriously. It turns out I'm a little bit short on test subjects right now, so this works out perfect. And off we go.
I'm gonna turn you into soup. Just you wait.
You have no idea what it's like in this body. I have to test all the time, or I get this itch. You know, it must be hardwired into the system or something.
Oh, that sounds familiar.
I'll tell you, when I do test, oh man alive, nothing feels better. It's just, that's why I've got to test. That's why I've got to
Does that sound familiar to you, GLaDOS?
test, and I'm gonna watch, and everything is gonna be just.
Warning. Core overheating. Nuclear meltdown imminent.
I think we're in trouble.
Design this test
You
myself.
think?
It's a little bit difficult. You'll notice the moat area there. Very deadly, extremely dangerous. Eventually, it's not in the moment, but I'm working. Oh, yes. Oh, well done.
Oh, God, man.
That's tremendous.
You're in out of your head, man. You're in up. Okay.
Yeah, you're not done yet, are you? Still
Okay, just a second ago, I either saw a person standing right there, or I mistook the handrails for a human being.
That felt really good. Oh, here's an idea. Since making tests is so difficult, why don't you just keep solving this test? Same one. And I can just, watch you solve it. Yeah, that sounds much easier.
Alright, how do I get over there? Ratman moment. G-Man, oh my gosh, G-Man.
And nothing. All right, can't blame me for trying. Okay, new tests. New tests. Got to be some tests around here somewhere. Oh, here we go.
Oh, the whole place is falling apart.
Alright, so my paradox idea didn't work. And it almost killed me.
You should have died.
By the looks of things, he knows as much about test building as he does about logical contradictions.
Woo! We're so back, folks.
Long enough to find him.
Hopefully not. We'll see, though.
It's all right. Everything's good. I just invented some more tests.
This is one of my tests.
Not entirely. Not entirely.
Is it?
Look at the word test there on the wall. That's brand new.
What is this? Oh, whoa! I'm floating! Whoa! This is sick! Floating beam! Okay. I know what I need. I need a little cube friend. Let's see, where are you? There you are. Alright. How am I gonna get that little guy down? Oh, he looks so sad. You can tell he's in pain. Oh, wait, here we go. This is cool. Whoa, whoa. Dang. Ah, fuck. I'm swimming. This is what it feels to swim for the first time. Alright, come on, friend. I want one. Actually, no, I don't. It looks like it's in pain. I don't want one. Never mind. So long, friend. You are going to help me. Probably going to be stuck there forever. They're like sad hermit crabs.
Well done. Seriously, both of you. Why don't you two go on ahead? Yeah, I'll catch up with you.
Okay, so the bad news is the tests are my tests now, so they can kill us. The good news is, well, none so far, to be honest. I'll get back to you on that.
Are you starting to realize how much of a nut job you are, GLaDOS? I really hope so. Oh, I just realized we are out of the basement, so I can change this. Try Wheatley's circuits. There we go. That's a good one.
I'd love to help you solve the tests, but I can't. Sorry. You're on your own.
What else is new?
Yeah, made this test myself out of smaller tests.
Oh shit.
Okay, lying
Oh
around.
no.
Buttons, got funnels, bottomless pits are involved. It's got it all. It's got it all. Absolute dynamite.
Can I grill him when we're done? Oh, absolutely. Oh, this and explosions are gonna be the death of me. Oh gosh, is that gonna catch me? Oh, what am I? Oh. Wheatley's tests are so stupid they're smart. It's a perfect statement of his character, really. He's just a little bit stupid. Okay, thank God. Oh, phew. Okay.
Alright, okay, this is taking too long, okay? I'll just tell you how to solve the test, okay? See that button over there, all right? You just need...
And that's why I can't help you solve the tests.
Never mind. Never mind, solve it yourself.
Oh no! I killed him! Oh! I killed my little buddy. He's been executed. It's alright, friend. I gotcha, I gotcha. It was a mercy killing. You're right. I shouldn't feel bad. I shouldn't feel bad. Oh god, but I feel like shit. Ah. Come here, little guy.
Oh, yes. Well done.
You stop saying it like that, man.
What? Well, no, you pressed the... Ah!
I know we're in a lot of trouble and probably about to die, but that was worth it.
That's how we kill him. We keep trying to get him to tell us how to solve the puzzle. Because clearly it hurts him a lot.
I thought of some good news. He's going to run out of test chambers eventually. I never stockpiled them.
I'm coming. Don't start yet. You are not going to believe this. I found a sealed off wing. Hundreds of perfectly good test chambers just sitting there, filled with skeletons. Shook them out, good as new.
Skeletons. Right, I guess I did stockpile some tests.
Oh, hey!
Just as mementos, though.
And there we go. Be honest, you can't even tell, can you? Seamless.
All right. Let's see. Can't reach. Alright, so that button is how I open the door. Oh, I can't reach that. Ooh, wait a minute. Sorry, I'm stupid. Oh, that's not right either. But I've got the right idea, I think. There we go. Alright, now I need to bring you over somehow. Oh, the jump pad! Huh? Do I need to hit that? How? Will that catch you? Yes, it will. Okay, but now how do I get you over? What does that say? Wheatley Laboratories? You are so full of yourself, man. Oh, poor guy. Oh, that disintegrates him. Oh, here we go. There we go. Nice. Alright, what happens if I do this? Nice. It broke. Or maybe I didn't do it wrong. Or maybe I didn't do it right. Let me try that again. I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm not gonna mess with that. Maybe I'm supposed to, because how am I supposed to get it? Oh, wait. No. Or... Actually, yeah, how am I supposed to get this back? Maybe I have to throw myself onto it. That did not do anything. Okay. Unless... Nah, can't reach it. Okay, I'll try it again with another cube. I think the other one might have killed itself. Good attempt. Thank you. No, there was definitely an attempt. Alright, Wheatley. Let's see. Nope. Try launching the little guy at different angles, like from further back on the spring. So you mean I should apply physics? You mean that's what this whole game is about? Oh. Oh, come on! That totally hit. Does it not do anything? Is this a red herring, man? Go ahead, tell me. Nothing bad will happen. Well, bottom line, I need to get a cube over there. Okay, now you can't move. Can you launch portals into the other room? I can, but they come this way. I need to get the little guy over there. Actually, yeah, how do I get back? So the thing is coming from that thing right there. Got a blue portal over there. That's how I'm bringing it back and forth. Worth a shot. No, you're just gonna bounce around. I see what you're saying, yeah. Okay. Alright. That's probably what this is for. Probably looks like a target because, hey, you're supposed to go that way. You know. Alright. Now I just gotta find a way to get you up there. And I might know how. Right. There we go. There he goes. Oh, wait. Maybe I should have gone with him. Oh. Oops. Okay, well, you know, I've got the right idea. So, you know, no biggie. I just gotta go with him. Go with my little buddy. There we go. See, it's just a fun little ride.
Oh, here we go. Here it comes. Disappointed.
Oh no, it's happening sooner than I expected. I'm sure we'll be fine.
I don't think we'll be fine, GLaDOS. Wheatley Laboratories. Wheatley Laboratories.
Keep testing while I look for a way out.
You don't have access to any of
So
this.
that last test was seriously disappointing. Apparently, being civil isn't motivating you, so let's try her way, all right? Fatty, adopted Fatty, Fatty, no parents.
And
What?
what exactly is wrong with being adopted?
What's wrong with being adopted? Lack of
For
parents.
the record, you are adopted and that's terrible. What's wrong with me?
Nothing. But some of my best friends actually are orphans.
Also,
But
look at her, you moron. She's not fat.
I am not a moron. Just do the test. Just do the test.
Rough landing. Anyway, what's this about being fat and adopted, Wheatley? Fucking jackass. Oh, you can change it. Oh. Oh. Okay. Very interesting. Oh, maybe I should have hung on to that turret. Well, that's okay, there's a cube there. I just gotta bring it to me. Like so. There we go. Yeah. Oh, wait, how is this? There we go. Come to me, little friend, come to me. Thank you. Alright. Hey, no, I need you to... Yeah, sit like that for a bit. Hey! Hey! No! No! Nuh-uh! Don't even try it, little butthole. Alright, you just stay there. I am gonna go over here. Okay, and now... Here we go.
It's not enough. If I'm such a moron, why can't you solve a simple test?
I just did, bro.
Push that moron thing a little too far this time.
I'm such a moron. You're making him angry.
He is a little stupid, though.
Now he's playing classical music.
He is British.
Oh, sorry. I hope that didn't disturb you too much then. It was the sound of books, pages being turned. So that's just what I was doing. Just reading, books. So not a moron. Anyway, just finished the last one, just now, the hardest one, Machiavelli. Do not know what all the fuss was about. Understood it perfectly. Have you read that one?
Yes.
Yeah, doubt it. Well, on with the test. Wish there was more books. Well, there's not.
Ooh, this is a big one. Big open space. Oh, this whole place is falling apart all around us. All right. Button over there. Oops.
Oopsies!
I forgot there's no ground below there. First death! First death, yo! Alright, I'm back. What's up?
Sorry, hope that didn't disturb you too much then.
Good job. Thank you, thank you.
Pages being turned. So that's just what I was doing. Just reading books. So not a moron. Anyway, just finished the last one. Just now, the hardest one. Machiavelli. Do not know what all the fuss was about. Understood it perfectly. Have you read that one? Yeah, doubt it. Well, on with the test. Wish there was more books. Well, there's not.
You're not actually reading, are you, Wheatley? Need to press that button. Ooh, wait a minute. There we go. Oh, that was close, that was close, that was close. Alright, this one isn't so bad, I don't think. Oh. It shouldn't be so bad. Oh, wait. How am I gonna get him over here? Oh, he's kind of stuck in purgatory. Same way I got over here, of course. Hey! There we go.
Oh, what was that?
No need to overthink it.
That was nothing.
The body he's squatting in, my body, has a built-in euphoric response to testing. Eventually, you build up a resistance to it. It can get a little unbearable, unless you have the mental capacity to push past it. It didn't matter to me. I was in it for the science. Him, though.
He's in it to feel good. That little weirdo. That little goblin goober. Do the exact same thing. Oh, yeah.
Not getting his solution euphoria, we could be in a lot of trouble.
Molten core warning. Oh.
Don't mind me, just moving the old test chamber a little bit closer to me. I'd have thought maybe proximity to the test solving might give us stronger results. What was that?
Nothing.
Oh, sorry, I could have sworn you said something.
He's taking us right to him. This is perfect.
Alright. Alright, we got a bunch of little guys down there who will open fire as soon as I step down. Alright.
Bless your little primate brain. I'm not actually in the room with you, am I? Technology. It's complicated. You can't hurt the big old god face.
I was hoping I could shatter it at least. I haven't seen these in a while. Alright, let's see. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let's block the turrets. There we go. Oh, that's right. I need to bring a cube. Oh, the button was right there. Damn it. Ah. Whoops. Oh well. All right. Waltzed right past it. Oh. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna go and grab him. Alright, now I just do the same thing I did before. Come with me, friend. You are going to stand on a button for me. Oh, wait. Okay, just stay there. There we go.
Are you absolutely sure you're solving these correctly? I mean, yes, you solved it, but I'm wondering if maybe there's a number of ways to solve them, and you're picking all the worst ways. No, that was the solution. What am I missing?
Wheatley. He's becoming addicted. He's trying to chase that first high. We're doing good, chat. We're doing good.
I think he's getting desperate.
Oh, absolutely. I don't think we're gonna make it out of this.
I'm gonna tape you solving these, and then watch 10 at once. Get a more sort of concentrated burst of science. Oh, on a related note, I am gonna need you to solve these 10 times as fast. Anyway, just give me a wave, would you, before you solve this one, alright? I don't want to spoil the ending for when I watch it later.
Laser? Oh, the lasers are back. Oh, what am I supposed to do here? Alright, where does this go? Yes, you are. We'll see. Ah, I can't reach it. Or maybe... Thought I was onto something. Oh, right. So this is why you... I don't think that's close enough to reach. Yeah, no, it's not. Okay. What's this? Oh, hi. Oh. Nice going, doofus. You broke shit again. Well, that's what you do best, in it. All right. Excuse me. Cranking my head over here. Running out of brain juice. Well, first, I should probably figure out... Because there's a cube there, I bet that I need to hold this down in order to... Oh. Oh. Look at him. Watching all smug. So this, what's the deal with this? And how do I get you down? How do I get you down from there? Oh, wait a minute. Oh. Oh, that's probably not enough to... With my luck, that's probably not enough to reach either. That looks like it would create some issues. Nothing that I can attach here. Oh, hello, hello. Who's there? You've caught me braining. Okay, so that's an option. Not a very good one, but it's an option. It's an option nonetheless. I'm looking at him watching me all smug. There's a Russian accent. Yes, there is. There is Russian accent redeem. Not a very good one, though. Mine isn't. Although I do admit it is kind of silly. I was so close. Was it worth it for the door knocking? I bet it probably was. Get you down. But I need to wait a minute. Wait. Oh, I know what I need to do. I need to get you to obstruct this. So that will turn that off. Then I can launch myself over there, get the cube, direct it through there to hit that, which will lower this, and then I need to get you back from there onto here so I can leave. So how do I get you down? Damn, that is annoying. Maybe I can... Come here, come here! Whistle to it like a dog. It's not that simple. Alright. So this is not going to work. I don't get enough airtime. Excuse me. brain hurt. Weirdo. Excuse me. Let's see. Maybe this will be enough. Ah, fucking finally! Ah, jeez, bro. Ugh. All right. So you stand here. Just hang out there for a bit. Okay. So now. I launch myself out. All right. You come with me. Alright, make sure I don't accidentally hurt myself with that. Okay, let's set up a portal. Right, where? Right here. Alright. Ow! Fry myself. Okay. Oh, I see. Another conundrum here. So long as this is blocking that, this can't turn on, which means I can't elevate the little guy to the... Let's see. So we raise that guy. That lowers that. I know what I need to do. I know what I need to do now. Oh, sorry, guy. I didn't mean to send you through like that. Okay, so let's first, I'll put you down like that. Let me waltz through here. Owie, owie, owie. Turn that on. And then... Oh, wait. Oh, that's right. Oh. Oh. Oh, get out of the way! Shit. Okay. Oh, man, this is gonna be tough. I gotta do some juggling. Alright, let's see. Try not to burn myself too bad. Alright. Okay. Okay, that wasn't so bad. I was overcomplicating it. Whew! That was a doozy. Alright.
Oh, you just solved it, didn't you? I told you to tell me before. Why are you making this so hard for me?
Remember when I told you that he was specifically designed to make bad decisions? Because I think he's decided not to maintain any of the crucial functions required to keep this facility from exploding.
You don't say. As you do. Ugh. Woo!
Facility.
Suck it up, GLaDOS.
Self-destructing, you idiot.
Was self-destructing, already fixed. Programmed in one last tremor for all time's sake. One or two more tremors in there just for fun.
Warning. Core overheating.
I let him keep his job. I'm not a monster. Ignore what he's saying, but just keep on testing.
We are so going to die here. We're boned. That's dangerous. What did that do? Ah. Oh. 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 Oh, okay. Okay, this is going to be risky. But let's. All right. And to the other side. There we go. Okay. Cue, please. Oh, come on, man. Okay. Oh. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Oops. Did the lasers disintegrate you too? No, you're cool. You're chill. How do I get back over there? Oh, like this, obviously. Okay. How am I going to... Oh, wait, here we go. There we go. Nailed it. Okay. So... Ow! Oh! Ouchie! Okay. Oh, oops. I want to go over there, actually. Okay, so... Do as you would.
Let's keep moving. Sorry about the lift. It's out of service. It melted.
Didn't even put in a lift.
To your left, you'll see some lights of some kind. Don't know what they do. Very sciencey. And to your right, something very toward. Oh God, run! That's not supposed to be there.
There's nothing.
Right there. Here, I'll turn took the beam off. Where
Bro!
Hold on.
Oh!
That's not helpful, that. I don't know why I thought that would help.
After seeing what he's done to my facility, after we take over again, is it alright if I kill him?
Only if you let me kill you after. Alright, we're running loose again. Unless we just dropped ourselves right into the next test. Which we probably have.
What? You're alive?
Yep, shit.
Yeah, just getting a test ready for you, obviously. Who else would I be doing it for? No one. So, let's see here.
Goop! Goop test!
Exit. There is no exit. Not a problem. I'll make an exit for your test. There. Bing. Good. Perfect. On you go. I'll be honest, after you told me to turn that beam off, I thought I had lost you. Went poking around for other test subjects. No luck there. Everyone's still dead. Oh, I did find something though. Reminds me, I've got a big surprise for you two. Seriously, look forward to it.
Ramp. Okay. So I need to turn the goop on. Oh, well, first let's get this little guy over here. Oh, wait. That turns on the... Ah. So how about those legs? How do I disable those? Let's see what's over there. Damn, whole lot of nothing. Ah. Okay. Supremely unhelpful. Yep, gotta press and hold. Alright, how do I get you down? Oh, wait. Oh, okay. There we go. There we go. Come to me, friend. Alright, don't go bouncing around, please. I said don't go bouncing around, please. I'm no better than Wheatley. Alright. Now we got this stuff. Carry it over. Aha, alright. Create the gloop. Create the path of gloop. Launch myself over there for, you know, whatever reason. Okay. Let's hang out there for a bit. Oh, that's not enough. Ah. Okay. Second death.
Yippee.
All right. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, wait, no, never mind. I don't know what I'm doing. I was thinking that I put you there, and then well, I can't do it like that. I was thinking I could, well, if the game would allow me, could put a portal there, and then just stream it there so I can, but there's no ramp over there, so yeah, I can't really do anything there. Am I supposed to make some sort of jump, though? Use cube to permanently activate the sook. Yeah. Oh. Oh, there is a finite amount that could go. Oh. It'll carry you over. I can portal myself over there. But yeah, I can portal myself over there. But I do wonder what this is supposed to do. If the ramp was here, I could whoosh, you know? You come over here. Put you there. All right. There we go. Figured it out. You were onto something once again. Whew.
You two are gonna love this big surprise. In fact, you might say you're going to love it to death. You'll love it until it kills you, till you're dead. All right. I don't know whether you're picking up on what I'm saying there, but
Yes, thanks. We get it.
You're going to kill us, man. We understand. Oh, well, that's okay. I will just kill Wheatley. And then after that, I'll kill GLaDOS again.
Trying to be subtle anymore. Or maybe he still is, in which case, wow, that's kind of sad.
sorry, my fault. Butterfingers.
Oh!
I get the impression he's about to kill us.
Carry on.
Fucking moron. Jeez, man. Ooh, woo.
Only 3 more chambers to your big surprise. Oh, it's tiring.
Jeez. Hi, Echo. Glad to have you here. He spilled his juice all over us. Yes, he did. Quite icky indeed, ain't it? Bruv. Oh, jeez, this one's huge. Oh, man. How do you keep fucking doing it, man? Alright, I need a cube. Blue goop. Blue goop. Just move some gloop over there. See if that can help us somehow. Oh. Oh, wait, how am I supposed to get back? Uh-oh. E. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, never mind. I see. I see. Yeah, alright. This little spot here. That will be my ticket out of here. Oh, oops. Alright. Yep, there we go. Boing. Sweet, that did not do anything. I guess now I can go over there. Oh, wait! Oh! Hee, I know what to do for you guys now. Alright, I need to go back over there. Alright, let's, put that there. Oh, wait, never mind. No, I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, never mind. I'm not quite sure how that's supposed to... Damn, I don't think. Thought I was onto something. Maybe I could use the goop to send the turrets into a bouncing frenzy, but... Aether is not cooking. I am not cooking. Nope. What else is new? Really thought I was onto something, though. Oh, oops. That's right. Watch out for those guys. It's right there, right in front of my face. Okay. I think the blue goop is my key to taking down these things here. And they're too far out for me to just run up, grab them, and smack them down. So... Ah, I forgot about that. Ooh, 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 ooh. I think I figured it out. Ooh, ooh. Oh, yes, I have. Okay. All right. Hey, look at that.
Get gooped.
See ya. Gooped out. Hell yeah. All right. Now I can get myself over there. Oh. Of course it's not that fucking simple. Bozo. Whoa, whoa. I don't know if I can walk on that. Oh man, I probably gotta boing and then boing. Momentum shit again. Alright. Well... let's see... Take him back. Almost messed that up. Okay, that did not work at all the way I wanted it to. I don't even know if it's probably not even the right way. It's right there. Let's try something different. Here comes the goop again. Send it through. Oh wait, no, shoot! That's the way I wanted to send it. Oh, oops. Need more goop. I don't even know if that's strong enough to send me over there. But I guess I probably need more for that, huh? Oh, oops. Ha! Dang, that's mesmerizing. Kind of like that boss in Ocarina of Time in the Water Temple. The way he just spins and blobulates. Okay.
Oopsies! Oopsies.
Me when I launch myself at an angle and fucking die. I am kill sad. Running out of brain power, chat. Simply an issue of skill. Yeah. This time it is, yeah. At the end of the day, if I can't figure this out, the internet is my best friend. I'm gonna save real quick. I've come a while. I think, yeah, it's a good chance to save. Always save your game. Exactly. That's what I'm always saying. Save your games, folks. Whoa. I'm gonna try covering this in the goop again. Look at it all. It's everywhere. God Thought I was onto something. You think Wheatley ever ate the gel? I bet that's contributing to why he's so stupid. I bet he just ate a whole bunch of it, all colors. It was like, oh yes, this stuff is quite scrumptious, yes. Oh, quite scrumptious, delicious. Oh, makes my kind of makes my circuits feel sticky, but oh, delectable. And you know, yeah. Oh, I just killed myself. Oops. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, we're good. We're good. They thought of that. They thought of that. It's right there. You definitely are. Just probably not doing it the correct way. That indeed. Fuck it. Give me a minute, chat. I admit defeat. Wheatley is smarter than me. Which test is this one? 15 or something? I don't fucking know. Let's see. I'm on chapter 8. Is this chamber 15 or no, this is not it. Chamber 15 was the last one. I'm in chamber 16. All right, let's see. Aether win basic math. No, I just couldn't remember which one I'm on. That's all. Ah. Oh. No worry, me too. I think this is literally the most simple solution in the book. Or didn't I try this actually though, and it didn't work? Ah, there we go.
You solved it? Good. Good one. Good for you.
The tried and true solution. Man. Told you, sorta. Yeah. Oh well. Thanks, internet. Whew.
I'll bet you're both dying to know what your big surprise is. Well, only 2 more chambers.
We're running out of time. I think I can break us out of here in the next chamber. Just play along.
Alright, what have we got? Oh, poop water!
Surprise!
Oh!
We're doing it now.
Oh, you bastard! Whoa!
Credit where it's due. For a little idiot built specifically to come up with stupid unworkable plans, that was a pretty well-laid trap.
You probably figured it out by now, but I don't need you anymore. I found 2 little robots back here, built specifically for testing.
Oh no. He found the Cooperative Testing Initiative.
Oh, he found the multiplayer!
To phase out human testing just before you escaped. It wasn't anything personal, just
Oh.
kill me. There's fair.
Oh! Whoa!
This is the part where he kills us.
Ugh!
This is the part where I kill you.
The part where he kills you.
There I was, smashing some steel plates together, and I thought to myself, yeah, it's deadly, but what's missing? What's missing? And I thought, lots of sharp bits welded onto the flat bits. It's still a work in progress, don't judge me yet. But, you know, eventually, I'd like to get them to sort of shoot fire at you. Moments before. No, don't do that. Stand right here, stand. Stop the shit, stop the shit. Where'd you go? Come back. No.
Nope, I'm gone!
Please.
Fuck you, bitch!
Okay.
Go!
I'm gonna kill you, okay, if you come back. Oh, just thinking back to the old times, the old days when we were friends, good old friends. Not
Wheatley
enemies.
looking at the
And I'd say
enrichment
something
center
like,
poo water.
You'd be like, yeah, come back. Those days.
Damn, that's delicious. Am I supposed to jump down there? Yes, I am.
Can't help but notice that you're not back, which is disappointing. Oh, I've got
Oh.
an idea. Yes, in your face, I got Fine, let the games.
No! Oh, you slaughtered him, you son of a bitch! Oh, poor guy. What was he doing there? He was just on a stroll. Alright, we've reached the part where he kills us. Where he tries to kill us.
I'm almost there. Don't mind me, continue escaping.
Whoa. Oh shit. Oh. Nice job, stupid.
But it's the only way through. Let's just do it.
Ha! Death trap!
75. Oh.
This time.
Are they killing you? They're
Oh, that's right. These guys are stupid. What is this?
silently killing you. Probably. If I had to guess.
That's right.
Perhaps the turrets have found a way to use garrots. That would explain the extremely quiet. Ha! Was that your bullet riddled body flying out the roof? It was. Oh, those were the crap turrets, weren't they? Well,
Hey, that was your idea, man.
Because I'm still holding all the cards. And guess what? They're all full houses.
The defective turrets. They are funny little guys. I like them
New
too.
turrets, not defective. Ace of fours. Best hand.
Oh, shit. Shit. Ah. Fuck. Damn. That was my bullet-ridden body hitting the floor.
Turrets, weren't they? Yeah.
Whoops.
Well, no matter, because I'm still holding all the cards. And guess what? They're all full houses. Never actually played cards, meaning to learn. Anyway, new turret, not defective. Ace of fours, the best hand. Unbeatable, I would imagine.
You're still awake? Oh, no, you're not. Okay.
Oh, I see. Clever. Very clever. And foolish. Spinny blade wall. Machiavellian. No. Good. Finally.
Spinny blade
worthy
wall.
of my vast intellect.
Fast intellect, you say? Alright. How's he gonna try and kill
Versus Moriarty. Aristotle versus Mashy Spike Plates.
Ow! Fuck! Okay, I don't know what I would... Okay. Alright. I don't know what... I thought he was gonna forget...
Good.
He was gonna mistime it.
Nemesis worthy of my vast intellect.
Okay. Well, I can't swim back in this, so... Crushy wall. Oh, wait.
Holmes versus Moriarty. Aristotle versus Mashy Spike Plates.
There's nothing for me to go to! There's nothing for... Oh, wait, I'm such a fucking idiot. There is a portal wall right in front of me. That little white square that sticks out like a sore thumb against the,
Nemesis worthy of my vast
against the gray sheet. Yeah, that's my ticket out of there. Whoops.
Holmes versus Moriarty. Aristotle versus Mashy Spike Plates. Stay still, please. All right, stop moving.
Ah.
Almost got you there. Almost got you there.
Nice job, stupid.
Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Come back! Come back!
Wheatley.
Did something break back there? Oh, did it kill you? That would be amazing if it killed you. Hello?
God damn it.
Oh, yes, alright, no, just had a brainwave.
Just had a brainwave. Oh, you're dead. Oh, couldn't show off my brainwave, eh? I think I've died more within the past 15 minutes than I have in total in the first game.
Did something break back there? Oh, did it kill you? That would be amazing if it killed you. Hello? Oh, yes, alright, no, just had a brainwave. I'll be back. If you're still alive...
Excuse me! Excuse me! Blue! Bluey! Close enough to British, I think. Bastard. Alright, back at it.
Back there. Oh, did it kill you? That would be amazing if it killed you. Hello? Oh, yes, alright, no, just had a brainwave. I'll be back. If you're still alive, I'm gonna be back. Don't die until I get back.
Don't die until I get back. This guy. Bounce a bunch and get your jumpy jumps jumping. True. Practice my jumps. But then I lose momentum if I'm just bouncing at one thing. I need to run and jump, but I guess these little bits at the end here, they don't count. They don't count. They don't count. All right. Sweet. Just like Super Mario. Mario would be laughing at me right now if he could see me. Oh, this stupid bitch. You don't even know how to jump. Mamma mia.
Did something break back there? Oh, did it kill you? That would be amazing if it killed you. Hello?
Stuff sure went everywhere.
Oh, yes, alright, no, just had a brainwave. I'll be back. If you're still alive, I'm gonna be back. Don't die until I get back.
Really should be just as simple as, you know, jump. One jump is all you need, but fucking glass. Try it again. And nope, that was close though. That was close. That was close. That was close. 2 jumps on the gel to get the momentum going, maybe. Might as well. Might as well give it a shot. Alright.
Something break back there. Oh, did it kill you? That would be amazing. Hello?
Hello? I have to listen to you say hello one more time. Hate this ceiling. Why is this ceiling here? Hello, Shell is die. Shell is die.
Oh, did it kill you? That would be amazing if it killed you. Hello? Oh, yes, alright, no, just on a brainwave.
Yeah, that, okay, so, the last like 3 pixels at the end of the bridge are not goopified enough to allow for the jump. So that's sweet. Alright. I'm just going to see if this really is the intended way or if there's some secret. Oh wait, actually, I should look around more first. All right, go ahead, do your shit, man. Do your shit. All right, you broke the blue.
Oh, did it kill you? That would be amazing if it killed you. Hello? Oh, yes, alright, no, just on a brainwave. I'll be back. If you're still alive, I'm gonna be back. Don't die until I get back.
Gonna give this one more shot. God. Huh. Alright, source of my insanity. You literally are just supposed to jump the gap. But the game won't let me! What's the deal?
Did something break back there? Oh, did it kill you?
I am inches away from that. How did y'all do that? If there was a sprint button, this would not be a problem. Oh, whoa, okay, alright, no.
Oh, did it kill you? That would be amazing if it killed you.
That's not gonna make it.
Hello? Oh, yes, alright, no, just on a brainwave. I'll be back. If you're still alive, I'm gonna be back. Don't die until I get back.
Fucking hell, finally. Fuck that area. Jeez.
Oh my god!
Yep, took me a second. Alright. Alright. How am I supposed to get these little guys to... Oh, wait. Maybe I need to get them to break the glass. Somehow, maybe. Hey guys, you look over here, please. Shell is dying. Hello. Look at them. Just looking. Oh, wait. Oh. Wait. Am I supposed to jump into there? I can't make that. I don't see any other way to get in there, though. Alright. The wall. Oh, it's right there. Yeah. You mean the bright wall that contrasts well against the dark spaces? Never would have figured. I may be stupid. Watch the goop go. Goop attack. This is goop warfare. Oh, look at them go.
I don't hate you.
You definitely do. That's hilarious. Oh, down he goes. Oh. All right. Oops. I'd buy an aperture turret and treat it like a dog. Weird dog. But hey, it's like a talking dog. You can have deep philosophical conversations with it. Assuming it doesn't try to kill you, you know? Oh, wait, no, you gotta get one of the stupid turrets from the other room.
Crushing's too good for him. First, he'll spend a year in the incinerator. Year 2, cryogenic refrigeration wing. Then 10 years in the chamber I built where all the robots scream at you. Then I'll kill him.
Alright, sure, that works. Ah, explosives. Alright. What facility is complete without the bomb tube? Hey, if I ever build like a big, mega, scary science facility, I'm making a bomb tube. I heard there's a bomb tube under every Burger King. So yeah. It's under the parking lot, right? It checks if anyone has McDonald's in their oh wait, oh it's right there. In their you know, in their car when they arrive. And if it detects anything, let the bombs fly. Alright, now there's mysterious white liquid all over the floor. Which I can use to go out there. Alright. Aperture science. Alright, there's orange gel, the orange tube. It's thick, very thick orange juice, that's what it is. Alright. But as I walk down. Yep, there we go.
There we go. I wanted to talk to you for a moment, if I may. I'll be honest, the death traps have been a bit of a failure so far for both of us. I think you'll agree. And you are getting very close to my lair. First of all,
The lair.
It's a bit ridiculous, really. But I can assure you, it is a proper lair, deadly lair. And I just wanted to give you the chance to kill yourself now. before you get to the left. Jump into that masher.
You should kill yourself now.
Death trap, or a death option for you.
A death option.
Hear me out. Once you get to my lair, death will not be optional, alright? It will be mandatory. No tricks, no surprises, just you dying as a result of me killing you in a very, very gruesome way. So, boom, better offer here. Okay, I'll take that as a no then.
All right. Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my god. What has he done to this place?
Jeez, this place is huge. Every time I think this place can't get any bigger, Wheatley finds a way. Or they find a way to just like, good God, man. There's no way Black Mesa was this large. At least not the little bits that we could see of it, you know? It's just, holy moly. Oh, they're still orange. Have they established that the white tiles and gel is made of moon rocks yet? And they also used to be shower curtains? Yeah, I think so. So Shell is probably going to be very sick by the end of this, which is, you know, extremely unpleasant. But you know, it's not all bad. It's not all bad. Yeah. Yeah. All right. What am I doing here? I need to get myself up there. Oh wait. Oh, of course. Woo! All right, here we go. Whoa.
You know,
Oh.
that's stupid. I realize you don't want to put me back in charge. You think I'll betray you, and on any other day you'd be right. The scientists were always
This it?
on me to regulate my behavior. I've heard voices all my life, but now I hear the voice of a conscience, and it's terrifying. Because for the first time, it's my voice. I'm being serious. I think there's something really wrong with me.
You don't say. Oh. Oh, okay. Loading screen. All right, Wheatley, how am I gonna kill you?
Corrupted cores.
Oh.
We're in luck. You find a way to stun him, I'll send you a core, and then you attach it to him. If we do it a few times, he might become corrupt enough for another core transfer.
So it's the opposite of how I killed you. I gotta put the cores back on you. Did you expect a GLaDOS redemption arc going into this? No, I still don't trust her. I bet.
In and I'll take you up.
I still think that she is absolutely going to kill me at the end of this. But if she's gonna kill me, if I'm given the option, I'm taking her down with me.
Even if you think we're still enemies, we're enemies with a common interest. Revenge. You like revenge, right? Everybody likes revenge. Well, let's go get some.
Well, well, well. Welcome.
To my lair.
Let me just flag something up. According to the control panel light up there, the entire building is going to self-destruct in about 6 minutes. I'm pretty sure it's a problem with the light. I think the light's on the thing, but just in case it isn't, I am actually going to have to kill you, as discussed earlier. So let's call that 3 minutes and then a minute break, but we should leave allegedly 2 minutes to figure out how to shut down whatever's starting all the fires. So anyway, that's the itinerary. Also, I took the liberty of watching the tapes of you killing her, and I'm not going to make the same mistakes. 4-part plan is this. 1. No portal services. 2. Start the neurotoxin immediately. 3. Bomb-proof shields for me. Leading directly on to number 4. Bombs for throwing it. You know what? This plan is so good, I'm going to give you a sporting chance and turn off the neurotoxin. I'm joking, of course. Goodbye.
Neurotoxin level at capacity in 5.
All right, so, wait, didn't we destroy the neurotoxin thing?
Where are you going? Don't run! Don't run! I'll tell you why you should run. The harder you breathe, the more neurotoxins are in there. It's bloody clever.
Ow! Oh! Oh yeah, baby.
That sounded real. No, that was actually an impression of you. Actually, because you just fell into my trap. My brilliant trap.
Did I? How so, friend?
I wanted you to trick me into bursting that pipe. Didn't trick me, seemingly trick me.
Okay, maybe I'm not supposed to be up here. Okay.
Because that leads to overconfidence. And that leads to mistakes, making mistakes. And it's all part of my plan. Ah!
Hee. What's the matter, bud? Oh.
I'm delivering the first core up near the catwalk.
Oh, okay.
Attach you to him.
Ugh. It's Elon Musk. What was that? Oh! Whoa!
Here comes spacecraft. Here comes spacecraft. How many spacecraft? Spacecraft help.
Where do I attach it to him?
Telescope. Gonna be in space. 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 Wanna go to space. Orbit. Space orbit. In my spacesuit. Lady.
Damn it, that wasn't it.
Let's go to space. Gotta go to space. Lady. Lady. Come here, space.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Core corruption at 50%. Vent system compromised. Neurotoxin offline. Reactor explosion in 4 minutes.
What happened? What happened? What have you palmed to me? What is that? Hold on. The bloody bombs are stuck on. Doesn't matter. I've reconfigured the shield.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it's a core you palmed me. Who told you?
Ah, man.
It's just making me stronger, love. It's a fool's errand.
Oh! Whoa! Oops! Oops! Oh, whoa! Space Core will always be iconic. Space, 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 space.
Here comes another core.
Where?
What's the situation? Oh, hey,
He's green.
How am I supposed to reach you? Oh, wait, okay.
little adventure. What, are you fighting that guy? You got that under control? You know, because there's a lot of stuff on fire. Hey, countdown clock.
God.
Man, that is trouble. The situation's looking pretty ugly. Such a beautiful woman, if you don't mind me saying. I don't want to scare you. I'm an adventure spirit. Designed to
Shit! I almost had you. 3 minutes.
I'll just take it from here. Here, stand behind me. Yeah, just like that. Just like you're doing. Things are about to get real.
Oh my God! I hate this game.
All right, Angel. I'll do what I can to cover you. Doesn't bother me. Gotta say that you was mighty nice for me here. And that clock is moving fast. And you are beautiful. Now it's time to cover them.
Can you shut up, man?
Let's do this. Did you hear that? I think something just exploded. Man, we are in a lot of danger.
All right.
Warning. Core corruption at 75%. Reactor explosion timer destroyed. Reactor explosion uncertainty emergency preemption protocol initiated. This facility will self-destruct in 2 minutes.
I told you not to put these cores on, but you don't listen, do you? Quiet. Forward. Quietly, not listening to a word I say, judging.
Oh.
Decided worse. All I wanted to do was make everything better for me. All you had to do was to solve a
Want you to do it.
You bring it lower, please. Oh. Oh, what?
Marine theory has entered the theory of radioactivity, treatment of radioactivity, and dying of radioactivity.
Oh shit! No, what am I supposed to do?
The Dutch. Whales are twice as intelligent and 3 times as delicious as humans.
Delicious?
Exploring England.
I need to pause, and I really need to think here. Rick not shutting up really adds to the tension. Oh yeah, absolutely. Okay, so there. Oh wait. Wait, hang on. Okay, that's white.
Believe at the time that the core had the ability to scale bombs.
That's white.
4% of poor people are able to do this.
So I think I'm supposed to run into that. I do not remember how to get the last one.
During the
Me neither.
the Tennessee Valley Authority outlawed pet rabbits, forcing many to not glue their long ears onto their pet eyes. In 1948, at the request of a dying boy, baseball legend Babe Ruth ate 75 hot dogs, then died of hot dog poisoning. Before
No, goddamn bars!
typical breakfast was
No.
still in the shed or scrambling rocks.
42 seconds left. Okay. So you're obviously supposed to use this. Why can't you just drop it? GLaDOS, damn it! It's like you want us both to die.
Before the right was invented the airplane, anyone wanting to fly anywhere was required to eat 200 pounds of helium. Dental floss has superb tensile strength. Read it?
Google.com Portal 2 walkthrough, maybe? Maybe, yeah. But hang on. Maybe I can figure this out. Okay, so orange, you're obviously supposed to run through it. Then what? Bounce on the blue to get it? Fuck it. Fuck it. All right, let's see. Yes, I think so. Right, but... Portal up on the tiles at the top. Right, but that's gonna launch me in the opposite direction. Oh, wait. Oh, God. Oh, man. Okay. There's one tilted downwards, and I think there's some blue under it, but it's hard to see. Okay, so... I don't think I could twist myself around fast enough, though. Oh yeah, there's no way I'm doing this in time. Fucking GLaDOS, she's just as dumb as Wheatley. Just drop it! Just drop it, I can catch it! I hate gel. 16 seconds. I'm trying to brain my absolute hardest here. I don't know.
Space does not exist.
Oh, wait. It's literally as simple as... Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I'm so fucking dumb.
Can be viewed orbiting Earth every 76 years. For the other 75, it retreats to the heart of the sun, where it hibernates undisturbed.
Ugh!
Warning.
Does that count?
At 100%. Manual core replacement required.
Ah, I see.
Substitute core. Are you ready to start? Corrupted core. Are you ready to start?
What do you think?
Interpreting vague answer as yes.
No.
Stalemate detected. Fire detected in the stalemate
Uh-oh.
resolution annex. Extinguishing.
Uh-oh. Oh.
It just cleans right off, does it? Well, that would have been good to know a little earlier.
Stalemate resolution associate. Please press the stalemate resolution button.
Do not press that button. No! Do not do it! I forbid you to press it! Don't press that button! Don't press it! Come back! No! Do part 5! Booby trap the stalemate button! What? Are you serious?
Oh, wow.
Joking! You have got to be kidding me! Well, I'm still in control, and I have no idea how to fix this place.
Uh-oh.
Oh, you had to
Oh.
play bloody cat and mouse, didn't you? While people were trying to work. Yeah, well now we're all gonna pay the price, because we're all gonna...
Oh, whoa. Oh.
Space! Ah! Ah!
Oh, it's the moon! Oh!
Let go! We're in space!
Space.
Ah! Let go!
Ah!
Let go! I'm still connected! I can pull myself in! I can
Oh, he's in
still fix
space!
this.
I already fixed it, and you are not coming back.
Oh no! Change your plans! Hold on to me! Tighter! Ah! Grab me! Grab me! Grab me! Grab me!
There's no way Shell is alive. There's no way. When did you get your head here? Well, that just happened. Fucking Steam achievements. No way. How is she alive? It's them. Hi, buddies.
God, you're all right. You know, being Carolyn taught me a valuable lesson. I thought you were my greatest enemy, when all along you were my best friend.
No, we're
The
not.
surge of emotion that shot through me when I saved your life taught me an even more valuable lesson, where Carolyn lives in my brain.
Carolyn, deleted.
Goodbye, Carolyn. You know, deleting Carolyn just now taught me a valuable lesson. The best solution to a problem is usually the easiest one. And I'll be honest, killing you is hard. You know what my days used to be like? I just tested. Nobody murdered me, or put me in a potato, or fed me to birds. I had a pretty good life. And then you showed up, you dangerous, mute lunatic. So you know what? You win. Just go. It's been fun. Don't come back.
What, is that it? There's no way. Shell is just allowed to leave. Ah, of course. Groovy. Oh. Oh, there's a big one up there. Whoa. I thought Super Mario Bros. Wonder was weird with this stuff. Holy moly.
This is surreal!
Dang. Holy shit, it's outside. Earth is looking pretty good for itself.
Companion Cube! Oh, we fucking nailed it! Oh!
Well, here we are again. It's always such a pleasure. Remember when you tried to kill me twice?
So this song is also from Portal. Nice.
Laughed, except I wasn't laughing. Under the circumstances, I've been shockingly nice. You want your freedom, take it.
Wow.
But I'm counting on.
Damn, this song is a banger.
To want you dead, but I only want you gone.
Assuming this takes place after Half-Life 2, I'd really like to know where Shell goes after this. But at what point after Half-Life 2? Because I found the chamber where Aperture was making the Borealis. That thing that Eli wanted Gordon to destroy. And it was gone. There was nothing there. So, did Gordon Freeman find it and destroy it? Or what happened? Where are the Combine? Earth looks like it's in pretty good condition after all this. What happened? God, Valve, please make games again, please.
Goodbye, my only friend. Oh, did you think I meant you? That would be funny if it weren't so sad.
Please, Valve, just make episode 3 or Half-Life 3, please.
One now, when I delete you, maybe I'll stop feeling so bad.
Redacted.
We'll make some new disaster. That's what I'm counting on.
That's what I mean. Is she the last human? Is there anything or just nature? Maybe she will find Dog. And they will live together forever, happily. Maybe. That's the good ending.
So much space. Need to see it all.
I wish I could take it all back. I honestly do. I honestly do wish I could take it all back. And not just because I'm stranded in space.
I'm in space.
I know you are, mate. Yeah, we're both in space. Anyway, you know, if I was ever to see it again, do you know what I'd say?
I'm in space.
I'm sorry. Sincerely. I am sorry I was bossy and monstrous. And I am genuinely sorry.
I'm in space.
The end.
I'm in space. Oh, the game just closed itself. Was that supposed to happen? That I don't think so. God, man, there's no way. It's supposed to bring you to the main menu with a new background where Wheatley is floating in space. Okay. Valve shit itself when I'm in a bed on up to that. Okay. So I'm gonna try opening the game again. God, it better not take me back to the... Better not take me back to the start of the fucking... Oh my god, there's no way. There's no way, man. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Oh my god, Valve! Fix your goddamn game! You know what? You know what? This is fine. This is fine. I've never seen that background with Wheatley, so maybe I've had the same issue. You know, he said the end. That's the end of the game. We listened to the end, so yeah. You did get the achievement. I heard the beep boop. Yes, I did. As far as I'm concerned, I beat the game. Valve wants to try and stop me from all of that, then, well, they're gonna have to try harder.
Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh.
Ow. Owie. Yummy good, man. You fucking got From here, you could either play the co-op or the LEGO Dimensions pack. That may or may not be canon, but it does have its own ending song. You know, I'm totally on board with building like a little Lego portal thing. I would love that. Well, yeah, maybe I'll give LEGO Dimensions a shot. It's gonna be so hard to find, like, the portal and the sets and stuff, because you gotta build all that yourself. But, you know, whatever. I would like to try the co-op, though. I want to see what those two little dudes have been doing while Wheatley was trying to destroy the facility. They're cute. I like them. Funny little guys. So, like, give me a 4-sentence summary of what the fuck you were talking about during the credits. Okay, so, close to the end of, or I don't know if it's close to the end or just in Half-Life 2, Episode 2, Eli Vance tells Gordon Freeman about this thing, I think a ship called the Borealis. It was made by Aperture Science, which, as we know by now, have put insane amounts of money and resources into portal science. And so I don't remember exactly what he said about the Borealis, but what I do understand from what he did tell me was that the Borealis could hold some way for the Combine to use portal science for themselves. And, you know, if the Combine gain the power to just, you know, zap themselves anywhere they want, like they could literally just point, click, open another portal, and they can just invade however many worlds they want, or, you know, do whatever they want. It's literally like how we defeated Wheatley. You just point the gun at the moon. I think even Eli, you know, use that as an example. You can point the portal gun at the moon, and you can be there in an instant. So, like, if the Combine have that ability, then it's a pretty big deal. And so he thinks that if he believes that destroying the Borealis could, you know, put an end to all of this, because the Combine have no way to get back to Earth, or at least not as fast as they would have now that the Citadel is destroyed. So, you know, he was like, Gordon, you need to destroy the Borealis. And then he fucking died at the end. And we have been left on that for... When did Half-Life 2 Episode 2 come out again? When did Half-Life 2 Episode 2 come out? 2006. That's been fucking, what, 13 years? No, not even 13, wait. More than 10 years, yes. Cockaball torture, yep. Thanks, Valve. So, yeah. And, you know, the Earth looks to be in pretty good it looks to be in good condition. I'm assuming that Portal takes place after Half-Life 2, so is Shell the last human? Is there just nature? What's going on? And, you know, Valve, before Half-Life Alyx in 2020, they just stopped making games. And hopefully Valve goes back to making games, because I desperately need Half-Life 2 Episode 3, or just a new Half-Life game, please. I want to play Half-Life Alyx. I want to get around to that eventually, but I don't have a VR headset, and I really want to get an Index, but that's like $1,000. Well, I would assume that Portal takes place in some semblance of a distant future. Absolutely. I mean, it's no secret that they at least take place in the same universe. They literally name drop Black Mesa like 3 different times across both Portal and Portal 2. So, I don't know. I don't know. You know, Valve could make this easier for everyone if they just made a new game, but that's not what they do. And you know what? Actually, no, it's not okay. It's not okay. Please, Valve, please. All right, everyone. I want y'all to message Gaben. Valve is difficult like that. Oh, yeah, for sure. Absolutely. They have realized that Steam is their golden goose. So, harness your inner JJJ knockoff. Fuck those lemons. All right, everyone, I need you all to message Gaben. Just say, please, Gaben, we need Half-Life 3, please, Gaben. And he will totally listen to us. He totally won't just sweep it under the rug like every other fucking time someone asks him about Half-Life 3 in public. Oh, well, it's whatever. I am going to leave it there. Thank you all very much for joining me today. Thank you for sticking with me as we finish Portal. I greatly appreciate it. I don't know what Valve game I'll play next. Probably the Portal Stories thing. I also found 2 fan-made Half-Life games that have you play as a Combine soldier, so I think those would be pretty fun to try out. Fan-made, but from what I've heard, they're better than Hunt Down the Freeman, so... you know, we'll figure it out. Thank you all very much for watching and hanging out today. You all enjoy the rest of your weekend. And I will see you all I will see you all again on Wednesday. Take it easy, folks. Have a good night. Bye-bye.